Hey everyone, welcome to the Axolotl channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of my chord melody of Ask an Axolotl, which is a viral song right now on TikTok. It is made by Dr. Waffle, and I also believe that Abby Lyons, who is a ukulele player and singer out there, recording artist, is the female voice in the song. So let's walk through it. The song really is based in the key of E flat. I've changed it to the key of G on GCEA soprano concert tenor to work better on ukulele, which would mean that it is in the key of D on baritone ukulele. We'll show you both of them here today. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel, or you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. I also have books of chord melodies in hymns and carols at that Buy Me a Coffee site. You can also find them on the Apple Bookstore as well as Amazon Kindle and in print from Amazon. What we'll do in this video is first I'll talk a little bit about what chord melody is, then I'll demonstrate the song on GCEA ukulele, then I'll demonstrate it on baritone DGBE, then I'll do a tutorial on GCEA and then a tutorial on DGBE ukulele. So what is chord melody? Chord melody is a combination of playing the melody and chords all at the same time where you use your thumb generally. It is a great intermediate step between playing just chords at a sing-along, which is a great thing to do, and then moving over and playing either fingerstyle picking patterns or claw hammer or full tablature solos. It's a great intermediate step that leads you to there. You're reading tablature, and as you read tablature, there are 4 lines. The bottom line is your closest string to you. So your 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string, and the numbers tell you what frets to press down. If there's no number on the string, you don't play it for the song. So let's begin with a demonstration on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. All right, let's begin with the tutorial on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this as written. This is my Islander MC4 laminate mahogany concert ukulele. You'll need 3 chords basically for the whole song. You'll need a G chord, a D chord, and a C chord. And if you can play those chords, that's the basis of the entire song. So you make the G chord, and then you're going to play strings 4, 3, 2. Repeat the second string, and it's swung. So instead of going tut 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 tut, this part of the song is 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. So an eighth note becomes a swung pattern, sort of like jazz music. So you get the G chord, strings 4, 3, 2. First string open, then G chord, open first string, second string 3rd fret, open, then you make the G chord again, strings 4 and 3, strings 4, 3, and 2. That happens again. Then a D chord. And if you can lift up because those are staccato in the original version. Then, second string 3rd fret twice, C chord, repeat the first string, G chord, and then you jump right down in that swung pattern to the second string 3rd fret, which you're already making the shape of. Repeat it again, C chord, G chord, jump down to that 3rd fret, D chord, repeat the first string a whole lot of times. Then, second string 3rd fret, second string 2nd fret, second string open, and then strings 4 and 3 of the D chord, which I often end up playing with just 2 fingers as I'm walking down there. That gets you through the first 3 lines of the song. The bottom line of the song, and by the way, you repeat it 3 times, the first part, and then you hit the bottom of the song. And this is a straight part of the song, so there's no swing here. And you play a G chord, second string, lift up, open first string, second string, G chord, second string, lift up, play open first string, and then a second string 3rd fret, and you do that again. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, second string 3rd fret, D chord, first string 2nd fret, and then a G chord with the first string open, and then just repeat the second string 3rd fret. And that is Ask an Axolotl on soprano concert tenor GCEA ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone. All right, for DGBE, I'll be using this instrument. This is my Tom concert ukulele. It has a solid mahogany top, laminate mahogany back and sides, but it has paper mare baby baritone strings on it, so I can tune it like a baritone. All right, there are 3 chords you need here. You're going to need the D chord, you're going to need the A chord, and the G chord. If you can play those 3 chords, you can play most of this song. Now, the first part of the song, first 3 lines, are swung. So instead of going eighth notes, going tick, 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 or tee, 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 or toddy, 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 it's going to be 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, because it's swung. And then the last line of the song is going to be straight. So that is where you actually go tick, 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 tick at the end of the song. So let's begin on the D chord. You play a D chord and then you play strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the second string, but you're going to swing it. Open first string, put your finger back down, play the D chord again, lift it up, open first string. Then you're already on, if you haven't taken anything else, so you're on second string 3rd fret, lift up and to second string open, and then you're still in the right spot. If you haven't lifted any other finger or that single finger left, you can play strings 4 and 3, and then put your finger back down to play strings 4, 3, and 2 of the D chord. Should sound like this. That's going to happen a second time. Now, second line, measure 4, you're going to have 2 A chords, however you want to make the A chord. Then, slide your finger up, play 2 of the second string 3rd frets. G chord, repeat the top note. D chord, and then quickly jump down to the second string 3rd fret, which you're already making. Repeat it again. G chord, first string, D chord, jump to the second string again. A chord, repeat the first string a lot of times. So it's strum, first, strum, first, and do it again, strum. Second string 3rd fret, second string 2nd fret, second string open, and then 2 fingers, and I generally use fingers 2 and 3 there. just because I can slide over easily at that point. That gets you through the first 3 lines, and then we just have the bottom line of the song. So then at the bottom of the page, you're going to make a D shape, and then you're going to play the whole chord, second string, lift up on the first string, play it open, play the second string, then D chord again, second string, lift up, first string, second string, then that happens again. Then you get a G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Put the ring finger down, second string, 3rd fret, A chord, first string, 2nd fret, then a D chord without the first string, and then repeat the second string, 3rd fret. And that's Ask an Axolotl by Dr. Waffle on baritone DGBE ukulele. Right. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.